Hi guys, so I heard that you need help making your timetable. So let me give you everything that you'll need. Okay, let's cut straight to the chase. The platform I use is called Google Sheets. It's free, by the way. Everything I'm gonna say here is absolutely free. So what you need to do, you go into Google Chrome and you just search Google Sheets. Click on it and click on the blank workbook. It's just going to show you a big blank grid, and that is going to be what we're working on. Okay, so first thing, we are going to create 6 labels for each column. Just remember that these are rows and these are columns, okay? So above each column, we are going to have a separate label. One is going to be for time slot, one is for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. In the time slot column, we are going to create a little interval according to the length of the lectures at university. At UP, our lectures are usually 50 minutes long with 10-minute breaks in between everything. That's how I'm going to create my intervals. All lectures start at 7:30 earliest and end at 5:30 latest. So the first time slot interval will be 7:30 till 8:20. Then the next one will start at 8:30 till 9:20. You see how I skipped a 10-minute break in between. Then the next one will be from 9:30 till 10:20, then 10:30 till 11:20, and so on until the last time slot at 5:30. Now once you create your time slot intervals, you're going to fill in our actual timetable. For UP students, to find out what time your lectures are going to be and where everything is, you're going to go to your UP portal, then modules/timetables. Then you're going to filter out everything that they're showing you by clicking lectures and semester 1. And all your lecture times will be shown to you. Just make sure you check that what you're filling in on your timetable is the stuff for semester 1 only, because sometimes on the portal they will show you your modules for semester 2, which you should not have on your timetable right now. We're only in semester 1. Okay, so now you're going to start off with the lectures with the least amount of time slots, because lectures with less time slots are harder to move around when things don't mesh well together. So we're going to start with that versus starting with a module that has many time slots. The modules with many time slots is what you're going to use to fill in the gaps versus the ones with not only 4 time slots. Get what I mean? So now what you're going to do is that you're going to write your module name and the venue according to the right time slot and day on your Google Sheets timetable. Okay, once you're done with the modules with the least time slots, then you move into the modules with the most time slots, and you use those time slots to just fill in the different empty blocks. That's how you avoid things clashing. Now once that is done, I suggest that you make a color coordinated key thing on the side, because each of your modules, please make it a different color so that it's just easier to see where everything is. And then you can make a little key on the side and just check that you have all the modules that you need for your semester in the key slot. That is basically how you make a timetable. It's quite simple, quite easy. It can get stressful when things are clashing, but when that happens, what you have to do is just work backwards, bro. You can start with what is clashing with, see where you can move that, and yeah, it's just working backwards and then coming back, and use my method of just starting with the modules with the least options, then you'll probably be okay. Also, another tip is that don't leave large breaks in between all your lectures. It's better to have them back to back and just finish in the morning, finish all your modules in the morning, or finish them all in the afternoon. You can have one long break in between your lectures, but don't have one lecture 7:30, a 3-hour break, a lecture at 11, and then another 2-hour break, and then a lecture at 2 or something. That's just, you're not going to have a productive day, So all those empty blocks, you probably end up roaming around campus or going back to res, taking a nap, being late for your next lecture, you know what I mean? So it's easier just to like try for everything in the morning, maybe finish at like 12 or 1, then you have the rest of the day to, I don't know, gallivant, do work, you know, just get everything done. You just be more productive when you have like a large, when you just finish your day early. Or you can be productive in the morning and do your lectures in the afternoon, and I don't know, rest in the evening. But yeah, I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be glad to answer or make another video. Okay, see you guys. Oh, and please subscribe and comment and like and all of that jazz. Okay, see you in the next video.